parsed out into these rippity-dippity, rippity-dippity, rippity-dippity triplet flows. The Suicide Boys formula is pretty obvious at this point, whether it be because you've heard some of the duo's previous EPs or you're familiar with the classic hip-hop albums that the duo pretty much use as inspiration.
Got one. Swerving. Swerving white beams, wheels turning rose gold chrome, maxing on the rims, picture perfect, no destination. Let's just wait and see where we end up. Burning zones, burning up the ozone backwards, split silent tuck. Bitch look at me, she said, yeah, oh, I'm out in love. I don't fuck with life forms of the planet, bitch, you out of luck. I got better shit to do, like sit the lines up in my cup. I ain't sharing plus they talk, waste my whole life for end ups.
It seems almost as if there is a slightly larger focus on hooks with this project too.
No,
Some of it really pop, like on the next one day up.
Be at my ditch, a stitch, sin, grid, leg, scrappy, brain, paper banging on my fucking chest. Feel static, problematic, be my motherfucking guest. Yo, Christ, messed up for a other guys. Feel like I'm stuck in the vice, feel like I've been paid my price. My wrist had the size, now it's scarred from the blade that's pressed against my skin. Lifeless and I'm stuck up in this shit. The walking mortal sin, whose life would never end. Fuck.
Simultaneously, there are spots on this album where the lyrics...
Got one? I'm reloading. Got another one? This guy twice.
Yeah, I get that shit. Without them dollar signs, let's see how far your bars gon' get. Don't do no features, unless I know you got no price on this. This double lamb got no OG, just throw a beat and nigga, I don't do no box. Leave your feet hot, that nigga running like a track star. Right out them Reeboks, no more parties for your shorty, but she still gon' be a dot. Bet that bitch gon' make it clap to find a nigga with some wop. With your broke ass, your BD ain't got no cash, ho. We counted big bucks before I saw that TikTok, ho. Your favorite rapper probably waiting on the next trend, ho. I'd rather get it out the mud before you help me, ho. That boy Mike Dayz, he don't rock with me, they ain't no stopping me. I seen them pop up out the cut when fans start upping all my streams. I remember ain't nobody used to talk about my heat. I remember everything, I never throw away receipts. Nigga, I don't do no beatbox. Leave your feet hot, that nigga running like a track star. Right out them Reeboks, no more parties for your shorty, but she still gon' be a dot. Bet that bitch gon' make it clap to find a nigga with some guap. Oh, I see they catching feelings on me. If you see Cap, just put the Billy on it. Got the city on it. I was riding in that Civic, homie, probably with a shorty. Now I never like to kick it. Everybody keep recording. Go buy two things in my lifestyle: gain money and lose niggas. Everything start getting better, you gon' see they ain't even cool with you. Bad bitches tryna fool with them, I don't want nothing to do with them. Fake love tryna make amends just cause of that little bitty trend on TikToks. Leave your feet hot, that nigga running like a track star. Right out them Reeboks, there's no more parties for your shorty, but she still gon' be a dot. Bet that bitch gon' make it clap to find a nigga with some guap. Nigga, I go by dollar sign, yeah, I get that shit. Without them dollar signs, let's see how far your bars gon' get. Don't do no features, unless I know you got no price on this. This double lamb ain't got OGs, just throw a beat and I'ma eat a nigga.
Kill them. Oh, Mike.